This is Samir Ilyas. Hi Arjun Bhai. When your movie Sandeep or Pinky Farrar is releasing, I'm really excited for the movie and also tell about your upcoming projects. Love you so much. This is Samir
Thank you so
Ilyas.
much, Samir, right?
Samiria.
Thank you so much, Samir. Samir, I think right now, just the situation hai with Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, it was about to release, but now, um, if Faridun can get an interview with Aditya Chopra, he can inform us how Sandeep or Pinky will release. Because honestly, I am the last person who can answer that right now. I genuinely
Aditya,
don't know. But
do anything to get an interview with Aditya Chopra.
exactly. So
Actually,
I
I
would
want.
do anything. I would do anything to get that answer from Adi sir right now. But I think अभी तो यार थिएटर खुलना जब चालू होंगे तब वो फैसला होगा कैसे कब कहाँ. So I think Sandeep or Pinky will definitely come out. It will be a matter of when the theaters open only then. The film that I was completing shooting for is a film with Rakul Preet Singh and Neena Gupta and Kumud Mishra. We were in fact about to put the poster and the title out finally at the end of March, and then this happened. 10 दिन बचे उसके कुल मिला के शूटिंग के, and that's a very sweet family comedy. It's like Kapoor and Sons Badhai Ho, it's a full on family film. It's based in Punjab and it deals with an NRI coming back home to meet his family again. So it has very few days of shooting left, but अब वो जब खत्म होगी तब रिलीज होगी, तो वो 7-8 दिन बचे हुए हैं. That's the film, and there are 2 other films that I've signed, but it's unfair to talk about it right now because the producers have not announced it. The lockdown happened before the announcements could be official. So I'm hoping Bollywood Hangama will carry the official announcements soon. Fingers crossed, once the lockdown opens up, we can start putting out information in the right way.
But all these conjectures about Sandeep and Pinky Farrar.
Huh.
Was Anu Malik factor responsible in a way for the delay of releasing it? What really happened? Because see, the director is
No,
outstanding.
so what
Director
happened with correct, yeah, he is, and if you've seen the trailer and if you've seen it, it's completely down Debakar sir's alley, that film. मतलब
Debakar is outstanding.
उस फिल्म के लिए मैंने 4 महीने प्रेप किया, तो मैं जो भाषा जो बोली जो जो ठेठ जाट सुर पकड़ना था मुझे, दिल्ली का जो महिपालपुर का जाट होता है, उसके लिए मैं दिल्ली में रहा 1 महीना दिवाकर सर के साथ. तो in my contract it stated that I will spend 3 months prepping and 3 months shooting. So I prepped for 3 months with him and we shot in 1.5 months, but he had taken 6 months ka window. He said for 6 months I need the actor with me, and it is there on paper. So, and I had a blast with him. He used to come home every day, sit and have lunch with me and just talk to me. That was his prep. He used to say, "और पिंकी क्या हो रहा है?"
Very intelligent.
He used to just talk. और बता क्या हो रहा है, क्या किया आज तूने? कुछ नहीं साहब, बस हम तो ये कर रहे थे, वो कर रहे थे. अच्छा चल पिंकी ये कर, अच्छा चल वो कर. नहीं कुछ नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है, समझ गया. नहीं क्या करना है तुझे? तो he used to just keep talk. Then he used to make me read books to get the accent. So I had a blast working with him, and he's a treat to work with. I mean, when the film is up for release and we do the interviews, I'll tell you the kind of stuff he made me do. I went and lived with the cops in Delhi. Spent time with them, sitting, talking 4 for 5 hours. He made me make a backstory for why Pinky is called Pinky, what a Pinky's life is, who his mother is, who his father is. और ये सब फिल्म में है नहीं. So I loved working with him. So what happened with Sandeep or Pinky is Namaste England got ready before Sandeep or Pinky because he took time to edit. Sandeep and Pinky took a bit of time to edit. Because Debakar sir is that kind of director. He likes to meander in the edit and then find what works for him. It's sort of similar to how Sriram Raghavan and Sujit Da, they all are, unke edit pe they like to play with the material. So Namaste England lagi. Then after that, obviously, once Namaste England didn't do well as expected, it didn't pan out. So I don't think it was right to have the same pair come back immediately. It needed a break. So then we decided that, okay, let's wait and have one other film come of hers and mine, and then we'll release it. So unfortunately, karte it just built up to a time where time has ended up passing. So it feels like, अच्छा वो काफी time से नहीं आई है. But it was just a matter of 6-8 months actually that it went up and down. Sandeep or Pinky was not ready to release, so Namaste England got preponed. So technically, if you look at it, it was just a matter of 7, 8, 9 months that the delay was, which happens invariably in a film. It's just because we had announced it and shot it, people felt, "Arey yaar, it's taken some time to come."
Okay.
But it's a film that I'm tremendously proud of.
No, must be. Okay. Okay. Let's take this. Ishaqzadeh Rohit. What message would you give? What is one message you would give to your fans? Ishaqzadeh Rohit.
Hi Rohit, how are you? One message I would give. इस वक्त तो घर पे रहो भाई. Please don't become heroes and think that this can't happen to you. Stay, follow the rules, follow instructions. Try and stay positive. It is difficult. Um, but yeah, I think staying at home is as important. That's the best message anybody can give right now. यार, घर पे रहो.
Superman. Superman
And
statement.
yeah, the best thing to do is stay at home right now. यार. उसी में हीरोगिरी है.
Okay, this is Arjun. Arjun K USA FC. What is your all-time favorite feel-good movie or show? What is your all-time favorite feel-good movie or show?
तो फिल्म तो यार हेरा फेरी, अंदाज अपना अपना. आई थिंक ये दो फिल्में मैंने हाल ही में फिर से हेरा फेरी देखी. व्हेन आई वाज फीलिंग लो द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज आई सॉ हेरा फेरी अगेन एंड इट इज सो फनी. It is so funny. It is unbelievable. And at that time, it wasn't considered a blockbuster जब release हुई थी. वो आज हम उससे ज्यादा प्यार देते हैं फिल्म को. It was considered a success. But Akshay sir is so good in the film. Sunil Shetty sir is outstanding. It's a subtle role. He's the lowest out of the three. He's done it so well. And Paresh sir is outstanding. Om Puri sahab. Tabbu is superb in the film. तो मुझे इट्स अ फील गुड फिल्म फॉर मी. I've realized I can see हेरा फेरी again and again. अंदाज अपना अपना is another film. And which feel good show? I think Friends यार हम सब के लिए, at least for my generation. आज भी जब मैं, जैसे मुझे पता है हम लोग जब शूटिंग करते हैं ना तो वैन में लंच ब्रेक होता है 1 से 2 के बीच, और वो टीवी पे 1 से 2 के बीच में रिपीट आते हैं फ्रेंड्स के. तो वो मेरा कंफर्म है. मैं लंच ब्रेक जब शूटिंग करता हूँ तो वो फ्रेंड्स के 2 एपिसोड बैक टू बैक चल रहे होते हैं. कॉमेडी सेंट्रल या कोई चैनल है उस पे, और मैं देख लेता हूँ. दैट्स माय गो टू इवन इन गुड डेज. आई लव, और मैं फ्रेंड्स मिस नहीं करता. जब ऑन होता है आई जस्ट लेट इट प्ले एंड आई कैन वॉच एनी एपिसोड फ्रॉम एनीवेयर.
Okay, and Hera Pheri 2 as well. People talk about Hera Pheri, but I think even Hera Pheri 2 was outstandingly funny.
यार I should rewatch हेरा फेरी 2. यार that's a good idea.
50% काटो ओवर एक्टिंग है वो. उसी में है ना हेरा फेरी 2 में है ना?
नहीं, वो हेरा फेरी 1 में है. वो उससे जब वो माँ को लेकर,
हेरा फेरी 2 में भी है. हेरा फेरी 2 में भी पंचेस हैं.
I'm sure. Like there's another film of where Sunil Shetty and Akshay sir and Paresh Rawal are together. आवारा पागल दीवाना है. दीवाने में पागल है.
आवारा पागल दीवाना next है. So I spoke to Paresh recently and we spoke
गुरु
about
गुलाब
आवारा
खत्री
पागल
वगैरह.
and Hera Pheri. So in fact he feels that
जॉनी साहब कमाल के आवारा छोटा छतरी.
अभी वो ट्विटर पे उन्होंने अपना स्टार्ट किया है. He started with that team with Jamie Lever.
हाँ, yeah. What was
Paresh
saying?
said that maybe for Hera Pheri 3, if Raju Irani can direct Hera Pheri 3, that can be like a great thing if possibly.
It'll be I mean, that would be a dream combination. Yeah. Just, I think in general to get another Hera Pheri would be great fun.
Right. Okay. So let's take one last question.
जी.
One last question we'll take. Arya_S1103. Out of the new actresses, whom would you like to work with the most?
Hi Arya. That's a nice question. By new, I'm assuming you're talking about Janvi and Sara and Ananya and that generation, those slightly newer ones. So I would have to say I would like to work with Janvi because she's family, so that gets discounted. But Janvi, I feel, is coming into her own now. So I would really love to do a nice, interesting film, brother sister kind of film with her. But so give me some more options. Give me the options, the Faridun, to decide. Like you play those games.
Alaya is there.
She was very good in Jawani Jane Mana. She was very good. I messaged her. She was very good. Yes.
Ananya is there. Sara is there. There are quite a few. Nupur may be getting launched soon.
So Sara, I would have to say I would love to work with Sara. She's my neighbor. I should ask her now only. Dates के लिए मांगना चालू कर देता हूँ अभी से बातचीत. I think I've worked with her mother. I would love to work with her also. I think it would be, and Amrita ji I worked with twice. Amrita Singh in Aurangzeb and 2 states. And I think Sara's a very, very exciting talent. So I would like to work with her.
Okay, one last question that I have for you. So, you have this fantastic chemistry with Varun Dhawan. You guys haven't worked together, but people love
Yeah.
to just read your
Yeah,
backpack,
yeah,
maybe in
yeah,
social
yeah,
media and even
yeah,
past
yeah.
that. So tell us how important is Varun Dhawan for you? Because you know मैंने इतने सालों से मैं हूँ, मैंने बहुत ही रेयरली ऐसा देखा है कि कोई दो एक्टर्स एक दूसरे को इस तरीके से बैक करती हैं द वे यू गाइस डू. लाइक
हाँ.
फॉर हिज मूवीज यू आर देयर कि आप फ्रेंड फ्रॉम नेपाल बन जाते हैं. And Anushka Sharma is damn interested in that. Or and for your movies, he's actually giving like a video message कि ये अर्जुन को सुनाना, meet and greet में अर्जुन को सुनाना.
हाँ, हाँ.
So which is honestly I don't think I've seen, and it's wonderful to see that.
Thank you. Yeah. So I think because we've done acting class together, we are friends. Rohit, his brother, is my best friend. So I always say Varun is my brother from another mother, and that is true. और मैं वरुण की रग रग से वाकिफ हूँ, तो अगर मैं उसकी स्ट्रीट डांसर का ट्रेलर देखता हूँ ना, मुझे पता है कि वरुण ने ओवर एक्टिंग कहाँ पे की है, अंडर एक्टिंग कहाँ पे की है, वरुण का कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है. मैं उसकी रग, तो ही आल्सो नोज मी इनसाइड आउट, आई नो हिम इनसाइड आउट. सो आई थिंक दैट chemistry has just happened because of acting class. We became so close. But true friendships, I think, are important na, in this profession, especially जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा ही दिखावा हो जाता है. We need some honest, emotional people around. So, like even now, we've been in touch every alternate day. He'll send me something, I'll send him something. We'll react on social media. So when he posted the lockdown song, his rap, he sent it to me to get feedback. I said, now I can't give you feedback on this because what have you done? So then he made his changes, stuff like that. I think we need to do a film together. We've done enough talking together. I think that's the only way to culminate this so-called friendship love story. रणवीर और मेरी love story एक film में आ चुकी है. I think वरुण और मेरी due है. But in all fairness, I think the pressure that me and Varun feel to do the perfect film together is the problem sometimes. We've not been able to come to that because I think because we are so close. I always feel we've been offered one or two films together in the past that I think we didn't do for the right reasons. Because I think when we come together, we should come as entertainers. You know, like how Hasina Maan Jayegi was, for example.
That's a good genre. That's a very good analogy.
Like, basically to do like a David Dhawan-esque film eventually. जैसे दीवाना मस्ताना थी, you know, for Varun and me to come together, or like what Ali's dream is to make Amar Akbar Anthony in that sense with Ranveer, me and Varun. You know, we need to do family entertainers as two actors who come together, who have that timing and that tuning with each other.
That's true.
Because I think we both are entertainers, so it would be fun.
Yeah, I think it should be entertaining. It should be.
Yeah.
That is what people would want from you guys.
Correct.
That is something that the entertaining part is something that people would want.
Yeah.
All right. So as always, wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for your time. And all the messages, and stay safe and stay strong. And
Thank you
see
so
you
much.
on the other side.
See you soon. See you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.